Welcome to SHVS Dental Academy. The news for the day, which is very huge for us, is the INICET November 2024 MDS exam. The seat matrix, tentative seat matrix, has been released by AIIMS New Delhi, and it's an amazing matrix. We have 37 seats total up for grabs. Unprecedented, never seen such a situation. You have 37 seats which are up for grabs. So out of those 37 seats, 21 seats are in the unreserved category, and the remaining seats, 16 seats, are in the various reserved categories: 6 in OBC, 5 in SC, 2 in ST, and 3 in EWS. And the seats are distributed all across the various AIIMS and the PGI institutes across the country. AIIMS New Delhi itself is offering 13 seats in the various categories, and other AIIMS also, like AIIMS Bhopal is offering 2 seats, in Bhubaneswar and Patna are offering one seat each, AIIMS Raipur 2 seats, Rishikesh 2 seats, Nagpur 2 seats, Bathinda, Deoghar 1 seat each. AIIMS Mangalagiri and Kalyani also are now offering 1 seat each. So that is a huge news. Apart from that, Bilaspur, Jammu are also offering. Jippar Puducherry incidentally is not offering any seat, but we have 4 seats in PGI Chandigarh as well. So it is a big matrix. Total seats overall 37 seats. It's just amazing that 37 seats are coming in upcoming AIIMS exam. So buckle up your socks, okay? Be ready for the exam. Start preparing. If you are already preparing, just up the ante of your preparation. We'll come up with another video how to utilize this last month, considering such a huge matrix is there. This is a never to miss opportunity. 37 seats up for grabs. Amazing. Okay guys, take care, keep on studying. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.